Hey, I'm Dr. Bob Cargill, editor of Bible and Archaeology, and I'm thrilled to announce that Dr. Andrew Mark Henry, the host of Religion for Breakfast, one of the most watched history of religion programs on YouTube, is coming to Iowa City. This is Thursday, November 16th at 5:30 p.m. to present a lecture entitled Religious Literacy and the Social Media Apocalypse, a Survival Guide. Don't miss this opportunity to hear Andrew Mark Henry in person on the campus of the University of Iowa. On subjects dealing with religions, their histories, and their origins, especially with content related to ancient Mediterranean religions and the Bible, Andrew Mark Henry is one of the most watched content creators on the internet, as Religion for Breakfast has over 700,000 subscribers on YouTube, and Dr. Henry's videos are viewed by millions around the globe. So don't miss Andrew Mark Henry live here at the University of Iowa. Come ask questions, shake his hand, get an autograph, and learn how religious literacy can help you survive the social media apocalypse. Mark your calendars for Thursday, November 16th at 5:30 p.m. for an evening with Andrew Mark Henry, brought to you by Bible and Archaeology, the Office of Innovation, and the Department of Classics, the home of biblical studies at the University of Iowa. See you there.